Cruinniú project tonight. We're doing bird feeders. No ordinary bird feeders. I want them to be reflective for the kids. Sort of just how do you say, retrospection. You know, when you look back on something over the last couple of years, with COVID, and people have lost people belonging to them and things like that. They want to put their all into this bird feeder. As in, when I say their all, put a lot of their feelings about what they've lost. You know, that 2 years of just being on their own and, you know, and losing family members. A lot of them have lost grandparents, people close to them, even friends have lost parents, and they just have never got to express it. So in a way, by writing their names in the clay, and when these bird feeders are up in the air, the idea is that, I suppose, you're kind of sharing it, you're kind of getting the wind to blow through them and letting them go. And it's a hard thing to do, but yeah. Like the pieces they're making every week with me are their legacy, as far as I'm concerned. I like to think these pieces will be over at the park for years to come. And, you know, at the moment they mightn't actually get that until they're older, and then they go over and they see their footprints in the ground, or the bird feeders are still up and you know, something. Bringing the kids together, because they were isolated for so long, I just want them to enjoy this time and sort of embrace their friends in a sort of a setting that is informal. It's not school. They can be themselves. I like to think the staff here are themselves, like in what they do. Clay makes you feel yourself. I can't describe it. Clay grounds you, and it brings you back to yourself. In a way, it's a form of meditation. So the kids getting a chance to do this with us, I think, is so important for them as people. Clay is from the ground. Clay, we're standing, the first connection we have is our feet on the ground. You know, it's like, there's an energy that comes out of the ground. It gives you energy. It's an exchange of energy. We are all energy. So it's just, I suppose, it's just another part of us. Like Cavan always said, we're creatures made of clay. So we are creatures made of clay, and we are becoming more and more grounded, and there is a reawakening, and these kids are going to be, they're going to be mega in the future, because they've lived through something massive and they've survived it, and it's time now to put their words into this clay and enjoy.
Cruinniú is an annual event dedicated to inspiring creativity. Keep an eye open in your social media for Cruinniú.